We're here in Tigaon, Camarines Sur, on Good Friday to watch the Good Friday procession. Check it out. The Good Friday procession in Tigaon, Camarines Sur, is a profound tradition that has been part of this community for generations. Good Friday, or Viernes Santo, is observed with deep reverence across the Philippines. In Tigaon, the day culminates in a procession that brings together the entire community in a shared act of devotion. As dusk settles, the procession commences. Life-size statues depicting scenes from the Passion of Christ are paraded through the streets, each meticulously adorned and illuminated. These images, some centuries old, are carried on carrozas, ornate floats by devoted parishioners. The procession follows the Stations of the Cross, inviting reflection at each stop. Each carroza carries a life-size statue depicting a scene from the Passion of Christ, from the Last Supper to the Crucifixion to the Pietà. The entire town participates. Some walk in the procession, others observe from their homes, creating a path of light and prayer throughout Tigaon. It's touching to see generations coming together, grandparents, parents, and children, all united in this act of faith. These statues aren't just placed on carts, they are housed on intricately carved wooden platforms, some gilded in gold leaf, others framed in hand-painted floral motifs, lanterns, and velvet drapery. Many of these floats are passed down through generations of families who lovingly restore and decorate them each year. The level of detail is astonishing, from the carved cherubs on the corners to the real flowers woven into the base. Some floats even have moving wheels powered by devotees pulling ropes in synchronized silence. Everything, from the lighting to the floral design, is carefully chosen to evoke reverence. What's truly special about this procession is how it tells the story of the Passion, not just symbolically, but in order, scene by scene. Unique to Tigaon are the sayos, women dressed in mourning, walking barefoot as a sign of penance. Their silent presence adds a profound depth to the procession. Each float represents a moment in Christ's suffering and sacrifice, from the Last Supper to his arrest, the scourging, the carrying of the cross, all the way to his death and burial. The images move like a living stations of the cross, and for many who walk in silence, it becomes a kind of prayer in motion. These traditions, passed down through generations, embody the community's commitment to remembering the sacrifices of Christ. You don't just watch it, you journey through it. It's more than pageantry. These floats tell a story. And as each one passes, you can feel the town collectively journeying through that story. One of the most awaited floats is that of Our Lady of Sorrows, known here as Mater Dolorosa. Her face solemn, her gown regal, her heart pierced with 7 swords. People quietly bow or cross themselves as she passes. Experiencing the Good Friday procession here in Tigaon has been deeply moving. It's a testament to the enduring power of faith and the strength of community. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Until next time, may peace be with you.